here you have it. Here's my fire station MOC that I was talking about in my last video. As you can see, use this part right here, those brick parts right here, to give it more an elegant look, but at the same time having a mixture of modern architecture with antique architecture. This actually looks like a fireplace up here. This is a little fire station sign with some lights on the side. Rolling doors for the fire truck. And a rolling door for the fire station chief car. And we have our little buddy right there guarding our fire station. The main entrance, which, if you can note, I don't know if you noticed, there's some stairs up there leading to the second floor. As we rotate, here we have two glass windows. Use this one to give it more of a modern look on the sidewall. And here we have the second floor. On the second floor, we use a turning table right here. We use a turning table for the chair. There's a computer there, and technically there's the system to make sure the helicopter lands safely on the helipad. And if you notice, there's two bunk beds up there for the fire workers to rest whenever they need to rest, when there's not an emergency, so they can be ready for the emergency. I don't know if you notice, all the way down there in the corner, the fire extinguisher. And the roof, there's a central AC unit. Have to keep those firemen cool. And here is a ladder leading up to the helipad. As you can notice, there's the garage for the fire truck. Maybe in the future I might have to expand this a little bit if I wanted to close it up, in order for the vehicles to not stick out a little bit when you put them in there. Here's the other side of the fire station. Here's a communication satellite, I guess, to have communication with the pilot of the helicopter. And I guess this will be an intercom to alert anybody that is around the fire station if there's an emergency, to get ready on the fire truck and get going. Yeah. So this part right here, basically the garage, are mostly based on the standard build from the set. So what I did, I just built up and try to unite the two garages, and from there I designed what will be my MOC. So I like it a lot. It was not that hard, since I used mostly parts of that set, that fire station Lego set. Most of the parts that I added was these guys right here, and designed this feature up here for the roof. So yeah, it's an interesting build. Comment below if you like it, if you don't like it, if you think I missed something. Yeah, just comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit that like button, and see you next time.